But these little ones, like I said, their dad was a 4.5 pound Yorkie. Mom was a Havanese, a brown and white Havanese. And she was, I'm trying to remember, I should know better than try to pull things from memory. But I think she was like 10 or 11 pounds if I remember correctly. But anyway, what you've got here, besides adorable little brown fluff, this is almost the mama purse puppy kind of dog. You know, they're going to be that small. Now these guys are they're actually kind of feisty. They're not being quite so feisty right now, but they are. They actually play pretty rough, and really don't know, or they don't realize how small they are in size. But I think it helps, you know, holding them an extra week so that, you know, they do have time to mature a little bit better.